that the opportunity cost of, so let's say, more corn rises as we get more corn. Let's talk about what happens if we go from point A to point C. As we go from A to C, we're going to get 100 more bushels of corn. Okay, so we're going to get 100 corn. But to obtain that corn, we've got to give up 50 bushels of wheat. At point A, we got 250 bushels of wheat. At point C, we only have 200 bushels of wheat. So we give up 50 bushels of wheat to get that 100 additional bushels of corn, which is the same as 50 wheat per 1 corn. I'm sorry, I did that wrong. I can do it this way. There you go. Erase it. Which means we give up 2 bushels of wheat for every bushel of corn we obtain as we go from A to C. The opportunity cost of 1 bushel of corn in this range is 2 bushels of wheat. Now, if we go from C to E, here we give up, here we gain, that's going to be 220. We gain 120 bushels of corn. And we give up 120 bushels of wheat. So that's 1 wheat per 1 corn. Over this range, the opportunity cost of an additional bushel of corn is 1 bushel of wheat. And finally, as we go from E to G, we go up here to 260, we gain 50 bushels of corn, but we give up, we gain 40. We gain 40 bushels of corn, and we give up 80 bushels of wheat. So the opportunity cost is 2 wheat per corn. The opportunity cost of another bushel of corn here is 2 bushels of wheat. Notice, as we use more resources to grow corn, the opportunity cost of another bushel of corn goes from 2 bushels of wheat to 1 bushel of wheat to 2 bushels of wheat. This occurs because the production responsibility frontier has this sort of concave shape. It becomes more steeply sloped as we move to the right. A final point. This production possibility frontier is not static. It can shift. For example, if we've got more land, we would shift the frontier out and to the right. It could also shift out and to the right if we develop new technology that lets us grow more crops per acre of land or develop better fertilizer. It can also shift into the left. Suppose, for example, we discover that certain fertilizer has bad environmental effects, and we outlaw the most effective fertilizer. If we do that, then our frontier would shift into the left because farmers could not use their land as productively.